Good morning, everybody. I am Ramesh Kumar, working as an English BRT at BRC Vepanapalli in Krishnagiri district. We are going to see the English phonetics. You know pretty well English is a tool for communication. For better communication, we need pronunciation as well. So let us deal about the English phonetics. Introduction about English phonetics. Phonetics is a component of linguistics that deals with speech sounds. English has 26 letters of the alphabet, which represents 44 sounds. 44 sounds, again divided into two categories, vowels and consonants. 20 vowels are there in English language and 24 consonants are there in English language. Vowels. What is a vowel? We can say it in Tamil, உயிரெழுத்து. Consonant, மெய்யெழுத்து. Yes. Vowels. You know that the lung hair, which is coming from the lungs, without any restriction is called vowel. And with restriction is called consonant. The vowels, these 20 vowels are again divided into two categories. One is monophthongs and another one is diphthongs. There are 12 monophthongs in English language and 8 diphthongs in vowels. What is monophthong? Mono means single, thong means sound, single sound. Diphthong, di means two, thong means sound, two sounds together, the combination of two vowel sounds. Yeah, let's see what is a vowel. A vowel is a voiced sound. The sound is produced without a noise component. The air which is coming from the lungs without any restrictions is called vowel. There are 20 vowel sounds in English language. We know that 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Let's see this diagram. This shows the pure vowels. There are 12 pure vowels are here. Yeah, of course, monophthongs are also known as pure vowels. Here we can see E, I, E, A, O, O, U, 12 vowels are there, monophthongs. Here we can see 5 long vowels and 7 short vowels. We know that short vowels are, in Tamil we can say kuril. Long vowels are nedil. Yes. Let us see all these 12 sounds one by one. Shall we? Okay. The first sound here, A. A. The center of the tongue is raised. It is raised just above the fully open position. The spellings are taken A sound. What are the spellings are giving A sound? You can see the letter U in the word sun, S-U-N, sun, sun. Likewise, the letter O in the word come, C-O-M-E, come, come. The letters O-U takes a sound in the word country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Likewise, the letters double O in the word blood gives a sound, B-A-D, blood. The letters O-E in the word does gives a sound, D-A-Z, does. Let us go to the next sound, A. A. Here, the part of the tongue between the center and the back is raised. It is raised just above the open position. Let us see the spellings for the sound A. The letter A in the word pass, P-A S, pass. P, A, S, pass. Likewise, branch, B-R-A-N-C-H, it is br, a, n, ch, branch. Okay, it's not branch, it is branch. Likewise, the letters A, R in the word part, P-A-R-T, P, A, T, part. So here, the letter R is followed by a consonant T. So, the R is not sounded. If the letter R is followed by a vowel, it is sounded. But here, P-A-R-T, this is part, not part. Okay, clear? Right. Let us go the other spellings, E-A-R, in the word hot, H-E-A-R-T, hot, hot. We'll go to another spellings, E-R, in the word C-L-E-R-K, clock, clock. It's not C-L-O-C-K, that is clock, this is clock, C-L-E-R-K, clock. Okay, let us go to the next sound, E, E. When we say this sound, the part of the tongue nearer to the center, and to the front is raised. It is raised just above the off-close position. You can see off-close position. Let us see the spellings takes E sound. The letter I in the word S-I-T, sit, S-E-T, sit, here gives E sound. And then the letter E in the word become, B-E-C-O-M-E, become, B-E-K-A-M, become. The letter Y in the word city, C-I-T-Y, city, S-E-T-E, city. The letter A in the word V-I-L-L-A-G-E, what's the word is? Village? No, village. The letter A gives E sound. This is village. The letters I-E together gives E sound in the word cities. C-I-T-I-E-S. S-E-T, cities. Okay, are you clear? Shall we go to next sound? Yeah. Let us see this sound. This is E. E. The front of the tongue is raised. The front of the tongue is raised. It is raised to a height slightly below the close position. Close position. Spellings. Let's see the spellings. Double E in the word tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tr-E. Tree. You see here, in this word, R is followed by vowel. So, R is sounded. Okay? Yes. T-R-E-E. Tree. The another spelling, E, in the word B-E. B. And next spellings, I-E together in the word field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. And E-A. The spellings E-A in the word T-E-A. T. So, in these words, we can see E sound. Okay. Shall we go to another vowel? Yeah. Before that, we'll see the exercise regarding this sound E. Here, the question, fill in the blanks. You see, the rat likes dash. Cheese or breeze? What's the word? The rat likes cheese. Yeah, very good. The next question, I am dash years old. 19 or canteen? Yeah, 19. I am 19 years old. The third one, the thief was caught by the dash. Police or peace? The thief was caught by the police. Very good. So now let's see. Dash unlocks the lock. B or key? Which one? Yes, key unlocks the lock. Next, the poor dash money. Deeds or needs? Yes, the poor needs money. Very good. Here, I have given a link, H5P, a link. By using this link, you can browse it in a Google browser and you can get an interactive e-content regarding this exercise. You can play that too. Okay? We shall go the next sound. The next sound is oo. Oo. When we see oo, the part of the tongue nearer to the center and to the back is raised. It is raised just above the off-close position. Spellings, we shall see what are the spellings. The letter U in the word P-U-T. Put. Likewise, the letter O in the word W-O-L-F. Wolf. Are you clear? Okay. Let's see the letters double O in the word N-O-O-K. This is nook. It's nook. It's not nook. It is nook. Nook and corner. Okay? Right. Now, let's see the letters O-U. C-O-U-L-D. What's that? K-O-D. Could. It is could. It's not could or something else. It is could. Are you clear? Okay. Now, let us see the next sound. This is oo. What's that? Oo. Yes. When we see this phoneme, the back of the tongue is raised. Are you clear? Yes. It is raised nearly to the close position. Okay. Now let us see the spellings gives oo sound. Okay. Yes. The letters double O together in the word F-O-O-D. What's the word is? Food. It's not food. Okay. Ooh. Food. Are you clear? Food. It's not food. Clear? Okay. Now let us go the next spelling O. In the word D-O. Do. Do you understand? Yes. Do. Yes. The next spellings O-U in the word soup. S-O-U-P. Soup. U in the word rude. R-U-D-E. Rude. E-W in the word chew. C-H-E-W. Chew. U-I in the word juice. J-U-Z. Juice. U-E in the word blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. O-E in the word shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Now let's see the next word A. A. Here it is. A. The front of the tongue is raised. It is raised to a position between off close and off open position. Now let's see the spellings. E in the word bed. B-E-D. Bed. E-A in the word H-E-A-D. Head. and IE in the word friend, 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 and the letter A in the word any, ANY, ANE, any. Are you clear? Shall we go to next sound? Yes. The next sound is O. O. Are you clear? Yes. When we see that, the back of the tongue is raised. It is raised fully open position. Let us see the spellings regarding this O sound. The letter O in the word HOT. Hot, 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 not hot. This is hot. DOG, dog, not dog. This is dog. Are you clear? Yes. Now let's see the next spelling A in the word WHAT. What? It's not what or what. This is what. What can I do for you? What's your name? Who? What? So now let us see OU. These letters in the word cough. 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 The next spellings OW in the word knowledge. Knowledge. It's not knowledge. Knowledge. Lidge. So now the last spellings AU in the word because. 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 Are you clear with this sound? Yeah, we shall move on to the next sound, that is O. Long vowel. O. O. Here, the back of the tongue is raised. It is raised between the half open and half closed positions. Let us see the spellings which are gives O sound. OR in the word BORN, born. AW in the word SAW, saw. It's not saw, this is saw. AU in the word FAULT, fault. It's not fault, this is fault. OU in the word board, BOUGHT, board. The letter A in the word ALL, all of you. It's not all of you, this is all of you. Are you clear? Yes. Shall move on to exercise regarding these sounds which we dealt here. O. O. Here you have to find 10 words in the puzzle. Okay. The puzzle is in the display. For an example, I can say a word CORK. Cork. Is it clear? So now you have to find out the rest of the words in this puzzle. Will you? Okay, right, you shall. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next sound. A. Where is this? Yeah, here it is. A. Here, the front of the tongue is raised. Okay. It is raised just below the half open position. Just below the half open position. Let's see the spellings. The letter A in the word PAT. Pat. Or AT. Rat. Okay. The letter same in hand. 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 LAMP. Lamp. AI in the word PLAID. Plaid. It's not played. This is plaid. Okay. So now let's see some more examples regarding this sound. BAD. What's that? B-A-D. Bad. B-A-T. What's that? B-A-T. Bad. Now, S-A-C-K-S. S-A-X. Sax. B-A-G. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-C-K. B-A-K. back. Yeah, very good. You just practice these words, then you can get easily the sound perfect. Okay. The next one, we shall play an exercise. Yeah. The name of the activity is clap and snap activity. Trainer, while reading as sound words, participants should clap likewise. For a sound word, they should snap. If they do wrongly, they will out of the game. Shall we play the game? Okay. So now, you see, a sound words. Bat, a, sad, set, bat, bet, pat, pet, sat, set, hat, hit, dad, dead. Very good. If you do wrongly, you are out of the game. Yeah. So now let's see the next sound. How the sound pronounced? After eating the good meal, you can get a small gulp, you know. Yeah, that's that sound. When you utter this sound, the center of the tongue is raised because it is in the center position of the mouth. Are you clear? Yes. What is this? Yes. It is raised just to a point between half closed and half open position. Okay. Now let's see the spellings taken for the sound. Okay. Here I R in the word B-I-R-D. Bird. It's not bird. This is bird. Bird. G-I-R-L. Girl. Are you clear? Yes. Now let's see the letters E, R in the word her. H-E-R. Her. Here it's not her. 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 Are you clear? Yes. So now E-A-R in the word H-E-A-R-D. Heard. It's not heard. This is heard. Are you heard of that? Heard. Yes. Now let's see the letters O, R in the word W-O-R-D. Word. Word. What's that? Word. It's not word. This is word. Yeah. W-O-R-K. What's that? Work. 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 Are you clear? Yes. Now let's see the letters O-U-R in the word J-O-U-R-N-E-Y. Journey. J-E. Journey. Okay. The next word you see C-O-U-R-T-E-S-Y. Courtesy. 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 Are you clear? Yes. Now let's see regarding this sound a small exercise. Okay? Yeah. Here you can see the exercise. Write the words with a and o by your own. Will you? Yeah. Now for an example, I did one. Words with a. Can see B-I-R-D. Bird. The next sound here O. O. H-O-S-T-E-L. What's the word? H-O-S-T-E-L. hostel. It's not hostel. This is hostel. Hostel. Are you clear? Yeah. Now you have to find the rest of the words in the blanks given in the exercise. Will you? Yeah. Okay. We'll go to the next sound. What's the word is? It's look like but it is not is somewhat open position. But here, this is, you see, between half close and half open. The center part of the tongue is raised when you say this phoneme. This is murmuring sound. What's the sound is? Murmuring sound. We can say it in English, schwa. Another name for this, schwa. The center part of the tongue is raised. It is raised to a point between half close and half open position. You can see this is half open, this is half close. So the sound is here. Meanwhile, to the point half close and half open position in non-final. When the sound occurs at the final of the word, you can see this can touch to open or half open position. So it comes down here. Okay. When the sound comes at the end of the word. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now let's see the spellings regarding this phoneme. Okay. Yes. The letter A in the word A-B-O-U-T. About. About. Likewise, W-O-M-A-N. What's the word is? Woman? No. This is woman. Woman. Are you clear? Woman. Right. So now, let's go for the next letters A-R. In the word P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Pat, E, patti, k, patti, E, patti, U, particule, particular, particular, E, particularly. What's that? Particularly. Yes. Now let's go for another word using these A-R letters in the word F-O-R-W-A-R-D. Okay? Yes. Forward. Forward. Okay? Forward. Yeah. So now, let us see the letter E in the word P-A-V-E-M-E-N-T. Pavement. Okay. Pave. Pavement. Okay. Yes. Now see the next letters E-R in the word mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Mother. Clear? Yes. Now let's see the another spelling I in the word P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Here possible. What's that? Possible. Yeah. Now let's see the letter O in the word method. Method. Okay. Now let's see the letters O-R in the word doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Dog. doctor. Doctor, not doctor. This is doctor. Doctor, please give the treatment. Doctor. Yeah. Now let's see the letters O, U in the word famous. F-A-M-O-U-S. Famous. F-A. Fame. Famous. Famous. Clear? Yes. Now the letter U in the word K. Oh, column. C-O-L-U-M-N. Column. Okay. Column. Now let's see O-A-R in the word C-U-B-B-C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. It's not cupboard. This is cupboard. D. Cupboard. And O-U-R in the word color. Color. U-R-E in the word figure. Okay, the last exercise given here. You can see C-A-T, cat. You have to write the phonetic transcription nearby. Here, the phoneme only is missing in this exercise. Okay, C-A-T, cat. K-A-T, cat. Okay, so now you have to write all the 12 phonemes, 12 monophthongs in these words and do the exercise. Identify the vowel sound represented by the letter, underline in the following words and write the phonemic symbols in the space provided. Okay, are you clear? Yes. The 12 monophthongs we have dealt. These 12 monophthongs are also called pure vowels. Okay, here monophthong in the sense, mono means single, thong means sound. Single sound is called monophthong. Okay, we can see here 5 long vowels and 7 short vowels in monophthong. Are you clear with these monophthongs? Yeah, you can do the exercise and come to know that 12 monophthongs are very essential, right? Thank you very much.